Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and I want to show you guys how to do this double exposure effect using Photoshop. So now go to the image here. First of all, I want to duplicate the layer by holding on Ctrl G on the keyboard. Next, you're going to go off this layer and go to the second layer. Reduce the opacity to about 20% on the keyboard. Now you're going to go to your filters and go to blur and give it a radius of about 11.1 pixel. Now you're going to go ahead and rasterize the layer by right clicking on the mouse. Now you're going to turn on this layer back. All you have to do now is to bring the other image you want to use for the edits. But for this, I want to be using this. So you're dragging down. You're going to click on enter. So now let me take this up so it can be visible. So now all you have to do is make selection of this object. Next, you want to fix the errors Photoshop didn't correctly do. For that, I'll be using my quick selection tool, which is W on the keyboard. So I want to use a radius of about 5 pixels. For that, I'll right click. Go to my feather, 5 pixels. That is it. Next, I want to click on this max layer here. And now I want to convert this to a smart object by right clicking, convert to smart object. Next, I want to bring it down in between the two layers. Next, you're going to hold on Alt on the keyboard and create a clipping mask. You can also do that by right clicking on this layer here, click on create clipping mask. Now all you have to do now is to hold on Alt and duplicate this layer, take it up, and now hold Alt finally on the keyboard, then click on this mouse to create a black mask. So all you have to do now is use your brush to make sure your opacity is on 100%, your flow on 10%, and paint in where you want to be displayed here. And also make sure that your foreground color is black or background color is black so that the effect can be applied well. And if you see that the image you want for it to show on double exposure is not properly placed, you can go back and fix it by holding on Ctrl T and resize the image to your liking. For me, this will be okay. I'll click on my enter and continue brushing the effects. Okay, so now I want to copy the text effects from here. For that, I'll click on the effects down to copy the text on the copy. Hold on Shift, click on the final one, then hold Control and drag it to the other page. Then leave it to apply here. Now all you have to do is to use your Control to resize it to your liking. And when you are done, you should have something like this. You can also make some adjustments here. You see, paint it. Okay, so we are done doing the effect, the double exposure effect. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's the same with the other one. So that's how I did the double exposure effect. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification icon to be notified when I post future content like this. So till further tutorials video to come, thank you and I'll see you. Bye bye.